अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आड़ू, बे से बंदर, पे से पपीता, ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जहाज, चे से चिड़िया, हे से हलवाई, खे से खच्चर, दाल से दुआ, डाल से डॉक्टर, जाल से जखीरा, रे से रेलगाड़ी, रे से पहाड़, जे से ज़ेब्रा, जे से ज़ोलाबरी, सीन से सेब, शीन से शेर, स्वाद से संदूक, ज़्वाद से ज़ईफ, तोय से तोता, ज़ोय से ज़रूफ, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फुटबॉल, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से खजूर, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लड़की, मीम से माल्टा, नून से नारियल, वाव से वकील, हे से हाथी, हमजा से नाई, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। One tiger, two apples, 1, 2, 3 ducks, 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parrots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strawberries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rabbits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A for apple. Apple means seb. B for banana. Banana means kela. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fox. Fox means lomdi. G for giraffe. Giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo. Hippo means hippo. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion. Lion means sheep. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for all. All means ullu. P for penguin. Penguin means penguin. Q for quail. Quail means quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. Sheep means bhed. T for turtle. Turtle means kachwa. U for unicorn. Unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire. Vampire means vampire. W for whale. Whale means whale machli. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Parents. Parents. Baby. Baby. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. Siblings. Siblings. Daughter. Daughter. Son. Son. Progeny. Progeny. Grandmother. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandfather. Nephew. Nephew. Niece. Niece. Cousins. Cousins. Husband. Husband. Wife. Wife. Aunt. Aunt. Uncle. Uncle. Fiancé. Fiancé. Stepmother. Stepmother. Kin mother. Kin mother. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Father-in-law. Father-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Son-in-law. Son-in-law. Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. In-laws. In-laws. Friends. Friends. Enemy. Enemy. Maternal. Maternal. Paternal. Paternal. Maternal grandmother. Maternal grandmother. Maternal grandfather. Maternal grandfather. Adopted son. Adopted son. granddaughter, granddaughter, grandson, grandson, maternal uncle, maternal uncle, father's sister, father's sister, married, married, spouse, spouse, relatives, relatives. Today we are learning about 100 plus animals name with their pictures. Lion, leopards, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, hyena, puma, fox, wolf, maned wolf, black panther, snow leopard, armadillo, aardvark, panda, rhinoceros, ape, hamster, beaver, coati, boar, capybara, deer, reindeer, springbok, ibex, fennec fox, coyote, oryx, lychee, echidnas, hedgehog, otter, giant otter, Komodo dragon, koala, honey badger, giant anteater, kangaroo, hippopotamus, great bilby, loris, klipspring, lemur, mandrill, lynx, marmot, skunk, marten, mongoose, okapi, nombat, muskox, pangolin, opossum, serval, raccoon, raccoon dog, Patagonian mara, dog, porcupine, wombat, red panda, red river hog, sloth, warthog, tapir, sifaka, Tasmanian devil, vicuna, bear, polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, lizard, basilisk lizard, bat, flying fox, elephant, giraffe, gorilla, dinosaur, monkey, chimpanzee, chameleon, iguana, hare, rabbit, crocodile, water dragon, mouse, rat, toad, frog, walrus, pig, mole, leech, eagle, spider, wild dog, zebra, centipede, millipede, scorpion, skink, snail, snake, Nile monitor,